So the scissor punch. This is one of the most devastating body shots you can throw. This is actually a very old school boxing technique. So let's look at the hand positioning first. Generally throw this with my left hand because we're attacking the liver. So you have your fist, your knuckle comes up, and your thumb comes out at a point like that, curved, okay? So this is, you'll actually feel extremely stable hitting things. So this is going into the body, and you're hitting the ribs. This is devastating. A friend of mine a while back were trying this out, and this will mess you up for weeks because you're just hitting in to the body with this. But this is your positioning of the hands. This actually doesn't look very stable, but hit pads with it, hit hard objects with it. This is super stable. That's why it's called the scissor. Your hands in kind of a scissor position. I would recommend throwing this off your front, but it doesn't matter. So if you have a southpaw, they can always throw this from the back, but this, you're going for the spleen or the liver. I like to go the liver on this one. But just technical, we already showed you the hand positioning. I go palm down on this, okay? So we have our left hook to the body, which we're changing levels, torquing, shoulder protecting my face, the motion of my front foot turning, my center turning. We're just bringing that palm down, the scissor punch. One of the things I like to do on this is if I'm hooking high and you're covered, is to cover my side of the face here. Palm down. Because you can be a little open with it extended like this. Does that make sense? Look where I'm at. I like to cover, and we're going here. Generally used in combination, like a cross, but covering, turning with my center, turning off my front leg, pivoting, right back. That's the important part, is come right back. And we're changing levels on this. Posture, good posture, change levels. Application of the scissor punch. So we have our good old-fashioned liver shot. And then this I'm good and covered, okay? This is a liver shot. But when we're doing street, we want to make it more effective. So I can, here, right in here, digging in. Again, I can cross my hands across my face. You're digging into the ribs. Again, you can impact so hard with this. Okay? The liver. It's just a big sack of toxins, basically. Right about here. Everybody's a little bit different. But as I liver shot, I kind of come up into it. Again, you can go crosses, liver shot, but cross, scissor. It's up in there, and if you hit kind of at an upward angle, it attacks the liver much more. But when you get hit with a good liver shot, it can actually paralyze your body for a second, or longer than a second. Very, very painful. That's the scissor punch. Surprise attack.